it is our pleasure to announce updated 2025 new and improved varieties of Fulham's FireHorse HotSpot, remote mount, constant power, emergency LED drivers with Conduit. While our pre-existing models remain viable, these new models enjoy some distinctive traits that we look forward to reviewing with you here today. The 4 new models are perfect for stock and flow projects with outputs at 5-watt increments, starting at 5 watts and going up to 20 watts. They are cost-efficient, Title 20 solutions with integrated batteries. These CUL-USB-C emergency drivers are equipped with a battery disengage feature that preserves power during transit and storage or other periods of non-use, which is easy to accomplish via the test switch. Self-diagnostics comes standard to signal battery health every 30 days. The 5-watt, 10-watt and 15-watt drivers have input voltage between 100 and 347 volts, whereas the 20-watt driver has an input of 120 through 480 volts for wide application ranges. And these are all IP20, dry and damp location rated. Additionally, these can be run at an ambient temperature of up to 55 degrees Celsius, opening up new application possibilities. And they can be delivered with an optional brushed steel bi-color test switch. Spec sheets and other resources are available online, including a handy reference chart indicating which product you'd use for desired lumen outputs across the minimum 90-minute runtime. Finally, as previously stated, our existing remote mount drivers remain available and useful while supplies last, but the new models are better in certain regards for certain situations. Some such aspects of distinction are that each model has a smaller footprint for more versatility. We cover the same range of wattage output across only 4 models instead of 5, and there is also broader usage across nearly any application, given that these are CUL-US listed versus UL classified. Recommended applications can include use with lighting fixtures such as linear lights, high bays, pendant lighting, vapor tights, and more. Thank you for your interest in our expanded new products. Be sure you never miss a Fulham update by connecting with us on LinkedIn and subscribing to our YouTube channel today.